bitches. That's my background music. Yeah, nobody fucks in my kitchen.
You don't have any deliveries. You have to go pick it up. But I don't know if it's still open.
I'm a fool with the snow. Gucci do the dishes. No, nobody fucks.
Because they sent all the delivery drivers home.
Make it snow,
Order
bitch.
said no deliveries after 8 o'clock. Alright.
Oh!
Oh, this bitch, dude. Yeah.
Oh!
Look at the back seat.
Look at my fucking hoodie, you freak.
Look at what you did to me.
We got
The computer's dying.
it's snowing in this bitch.
They sell alcohol here.
They sell alcohol here. Let's go. This is Blizzard 2011.
God, my ass is on fire. Up in here, it's burning hot. It's so snowy, bitch. Oh my God.
Yeah. Woo!
God damn.
Here's where I got my DUI.
Oh, this is what
I
you're
got
gonna do.
right up here, right before I read the road.
Yeah.
I got pulled over
I got
right
mine.
here. My car sat here to the COVID.
Dude, my ass is frozen, bro.
Turn on that fucking window.
Oh
Close the
shit.
pilot.
We're gonna
Let's take a pit stop real quick.
Take a fucking. Let us.
Take a left.
Sean said we should reflect our thoughts, so let's do
Right
it.
there.
Fucking eye of the storm! Oh shit, we almost just hit a little truck. Huh?
I need to clean those out. No!
Woo! Oh, look at it, you can't even see shit. It is nothing. Look at the drifts, homie. Damn. I'm talking Alaska.
Oh, he's saying around. That's funny.
Yeah, this nigga said, oh, that's not good. Stop at this gas station. They sell liquor? We have to collect. We have to collect our fucking thoughts. Dude, look at these people are just chilling. I think it's a party at the gas station, dude. Is this something good? No. Oh. Yeah, shut up, easy. We are balls deep in this. Look at
Let the bitch do her work.
Honestly, this low key. Oh, look at this guy just sitting on the road.
A fucking semi.
He's like, fuck, bro, where'd I go?
You need a fucking
This is Gucci style.
We are part of history.
Oh my.
Oh, and that's Polo.
Oh man,
So let's keep that.
that is the Manuka.
Get on the highway.
We got Chinook in front of us. This is crazy. We're gonna pause for a second. Still in this ditch, following the Manuka cow because we don't know where to go. It's on my day. Eat up. Eat up. Eat
Get a
up.
bottle and get out of that.
Let's get a bottle, about to hop up on this track. Told Michelle suck my dick, then she bring that shit back. Bitch. We got Casey's right here. We ain't playing no games. Look at look at.
Like, yeah, I'm fucked up.
But look, it's hitting the car wash. He ain't even playing with us. We're in this snowstorm. So icy, bitch.
Oh shit, we taking a detour.
We're taking a fucking detour.
Oh, she's taking county line. She ain't fucking her up.
County line. Are you fucking Vegas? Do you want to get stuck?
I have four-wheel drive.
This bitch is crazy. Trying to go off-roading. We have no control. Call someone. Yeah, this is crazy. Look at, we just hit the heart of the storm back here.
Look, you got one person snow plowing, you got one person shoveling
Yeah.
next to him.
Look at that. That's crazy. He's shoveling this snow plow for this motherfucker.
Shit, I got you rock driving on this shit.
Yeah, why are you trying to go to county?
I think you might be the only female driver on the road.
Yeah, you're a beast.
So you should take that. You got a fucking trophy.
Yeah, you got a fucking trophy and an award. We're putting you on Craigslist.
See that light? We're having your shit.
Put this bitch on Craigslist and she drives in the snow. Like your day.
What the hell?
Oh!
Oh, you can't this motherfucker.
Another snow blast.
Wait, where'd you
We'll be back with you in a moment.